Welcome to the EV Stock Pre-Market Report, where we break down the latest movements and surge signals for your favorite electric vehicle stocks. Surge signals are crucial indicators that traders use to predict potential price movements. An upward surge signal suggests a price at which buying momentum might accelerate, while a downward surge signal indicates a potential price where selling momentum could intensify. Starting with Tesla, it saw a 1.43% increase yesterday. Its upward surge signal is at 274.82, suggesting that if the stock reaches this price, we might see a stronger buying interest. Conversely, the downward signal is at 267.94, indicating a potential increase in selling if the stock dips to this level. NIO faced a 4.73% drop. Its upward and downward surge signals are 10.34 and 9.93, respectively. Lucid Motors, with a 0.68% dip, has its surge signals set at 5.94 and 5.81. Rivian, after a 1.4% decrease, has signals at 23.6 and 23.05. Mullen Automotive rose by 1.62%. Its surge signals are 0.53 for upward momentum and 0.49 for downward. Nikola, after a 4.64% decline, has signals at 0.9 and 0.84. Li Auto, with a 0.54% dip, has signals at 40.91 and 39.9. Xpeng, after a 3.21% decline, has its signals set at 18.32 and 17.89. ChargePoint grew by 2.38%, with signals at 5.92 and 5.61. Lightning eMotors, after a significant 6.63% surge, has signals at 2.04 and 1.83. Canoo, with a 2.93% dip, has its signals at 0.52 and 0.5. Polestar Automotive, after a 2.88% decline, has signals at 2.79 and 2.65. Microvision, with a 1.3% dip, has signals at 2.38 and 2.21. Palantir, after a slight 0.06% increase, has signals at 15.83 and 15.4. Fisker, with a 0.31% rise, has signals at 6.53 and 6.35. Stellantis, after a 0.42% dip, has signals at 19.14 and 18.82. Blink Charging, with a 2.1% decline, has signals at 3.83 and 3.66. EVgo, after a 2.78% dip, has signals at 3.99 and 3.78. Fuel Cell Energy, with a significant 5.19% drop, has signals at 1.34 and 1.25. Lastly, Workhorse Group, after a 0.8% dip, has signals at 0.72 and 0.58. That wraps up our pre-market report for these EV stocks. If you found this information valuable and don't want to miss any of our updates throughout the day on all these stocks, hit that subscribe button. And if you do, drop a subscribed comment below, and we'll do our best to engage with you. Stay charged and stay informed.